Indian Grand Mufti Kanthapuram AP Abu Bakr Musliar has now intervened in the Nimisha Priya case and talks are progressing positively. A meeting with the victim's family is scheduled to resume, led by the Yemeni Sufi scholar Sheikh Habib Umar. Now the discussions are underway to potentially save the life of Nimisha Priya, who is an Indian nurse on a death row in Yemen for a 2017 murder case. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, Nimisha Priya is on the death sentence at the central prison in Yemen's capital Sana'a for an alleged murder of a Yemeni national in the year 2017. And now she's scheduled to be executed on July 16. Let me take you through the story so far, viewers. Nimisha Priya, who is on the death row for an alleged murder of the Yemeni national, is scheduled to be executed on July 16. And now the Supreme Court on July 14, 2025, that is yesterday, heard a plea filed by Nimisha Priya's counsel. Let's cut straight across to Soumya, who joins me live on this edition. Soumya, we can see that there are some last-ditch efforts that are being made to save the nurse from India, Nimisha Priya. We are coming to know that the Sufi has now intervened in the matter, and these are bit of the last-ditch efforts that are being made to save her. She's now on the death row and she's set to be executed tomorrow. What more can you tell us?
Yes, well, Antara, as you correctly mentioned, the execution of Nimisha Priya is set for tomorrow, which is 16th of July. However, the current developments look like a ray of hope in Nimisha Priya's case, and the efforts of the Nimisha Priya Council and the negotiators who are there in Yemen and trying to crack a deal, simply what is called the blood money, with the family of the victim. And now a positive development in the case is the intervention of the Indian Grand Mufti that happened yesterday. And now the developments are in front of us. Today, 10 a.m. Yemeni time, there is a meeting scheduled with the victim's family on the suggestion of an individual named Sheikh Habib Umar, who happens to be a close relative of Talal Abdo Mehdi, the victim who was murdered by Nimisha Priya. So on his suggestion, the Chief Justice of Ubeda State and also a member of the Yemeni Shura Council and a person from Talal's hometown, Dhamar, all of these people are going to be there in this particular meeting, wherein it is expected that a discussion will resume again with regards to the blood money and also with regards to the postponement of Nimisha Priya's execution that is scheduled to take place tomorrow. So these are the last resorts left at Nimisha Priya's end. First, the postponement of the execution, which will lay the groundwork for resuming the discussions with the family to reach an agreement with regards to the blood money. So these are the positive developments that have happened in the last 24 hours in Nimisha Priya's case. Back to you.
Well, thank you, Soumya, for getting us those updates. We'll keep coming back to you as we track this very, very big story. Moving on, in a major development